My YouTube channel name is Speak with Rahul. I'm having one of my students. He claims that he can translate any sentence from Marathi to English. So you can see the performance of my student, and after that, where he speaks, if he speaks very well, so you can share your opinion that whether he speaks very well or not. Now I'm going to ask him so many questions, so you have to listen and you have to translate all the questions. Okay. First, let me know what is your name.
So my name is Abhinay Surat.
Oh, your name is Abhinav. So where are you from actually?
So I am from Jalna, and my
Okay, you are from Java. Okay, so are you ready to translate each and every sentence?
yes, I can.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you. Okay, so you have to be ready to translate each and every sentence. First sentence, here we go. First sentence, I would like to tell you. क्या आप जालना में रहते हो?
Do you live in Jalna?
Do you live in जालना? मैं जालना में रहता हूँ.
Yes, I live in Jalna.
Yes, I live in जालना. आप जालना में कहाँ रहते हो?
Where do you live in Jalna?
Where do you live in जालना? मैं जालना में मम्मा देवी के पास रहता हूँ.
I live in Jalna nearby Mama Devi.
I live in जालना nearby the मम्मा देवी. आपके पापा क्या करते हैं?
What does your father do?
What does your father do? आपकी मम्मा क्या करती है?
What does your mother do?
What does your mother do? मेरे पापा जॉब करते हैं.
My father jobs.
हाँ, my father does job. आपके पापा कहाँ जॉब करते हैं?
Where does your father job?
Where does your father job? मेरे पापा पुणे में जॉब करते हैं.
My father does job in Pune.
My father does job in पुणे. आपके पापा किस प्रकार की जॉब करते हैं?
Which type do your father does job?
What kind of job does your father do? आपकी मम्मा कहाँ रहती है?
Where does your mother live?
क्या आपको भाई है? क्या आपका कोई भाई है?
Do you have any sibling?
Do you have any sibling? Do you have any brother? Yes, मेरे पास दो brother हैं.
Yes, I have two brothers.
Yes, I have two brother. आपका भाई क्या करता है?
What does your brother do?
What does your brother do? क्या आप इंग्लिश बोल पाते हैं?
Can you speak in English?
Can you speak English? Yes, मैं इंग्लिश बोल पाता हूँ.
Yes, I can speak English.
I can speak English. Otherwise, I am able to speak English. There are two ways to make it sentence. मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ लेकिन मैं उतना कैपेबल नहीं हूँ.
I can speak English, but I'm not capable. That is.
I can speak English, but I'm not that much capable. आप इंग्लिश किसके साथ बोलते हो?
In whom do you speak English?
With whom do you speak English? मैं इंग्लिश मेरे दोस्त के साथ बोलता हूँ.
I speak English with my friends.
I speak English with my friends. क्या आपके पास कार है?
Do you have a car?
Do you have a car? क्या आप टीचर हो?
Are you teacher?
Are you teacher? Yes, मैं टीचर हूँ.
Yes, I am a teacher.
Yes, I'm a teacher. मैं टीचर नहीं हूँ.
No, I am not teacher.
I'm not teacher. कौन कहता है मैं टीचर हूँ?
Who said I am not teacher?
Who says I'm a teacher? कोई भी नहीं कहता कि आप टीचर हो.
Nobody says you are a teacher.
Nobody says that you are a teacher. Nobody says you are a teacher. क्या आपके पास पैसा है?
Do you have a money?
Do you have money? Yes, मेरे पास पैसा है.
Yes, I have a money.
Yes, I have money. मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है.
No, I don't have money.
No, I don't have money. आपके पास क्या है?
So what do you have?
What do you have? आप लाइफ में क्या करना चाहते हो?
What do you want to do in your life?
What do you want to do in your life? मैं साइंटिस्ट बनना चाहता हूँ.
I want to be a scientist.
I want to be a scientist. साइंटिस्ट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है पता है आपको?
Do you know what does have to do?
Do you know what do we have to do to become a scientist? मुझे पता है.
Yes, I know.
I know. क्या आपको उसका घर पता है?
Do you know of his house?
Do you know about his house? मुझे उसके घर के बारे में पता है.
Yes, I know about his house.
Yes, I know about his house. क्या वो आपका फ्रेंड है?
Is he your friend?
Is he your friend? Yes, वो मेरा फ्रेंड है.
Yes, he is my friend.
Yes, he is my friend. उसके पास मेरी बैग है.
Here he is.
He has my bag.
Here's my bag.
He has my bag. उसके पास मेरी बैग नहीं है. उसके पास उसकी बैग है.
He has no bag of mine. He has bag. He has his bag.
He has not my bag, but he has his bag. उसके पास क्या है?
What does he have?
What does he have? उसके पास नहीं कुछ भी नहीं है.
Nothing he have.
Doesn't he have? He doesn't have anything. He doesn't have anything. Otherwise, he has nothing. There are two options. मेरे पास पेन है.
I have a pen.
I have pen. क्या आप पेन से लिख सकते हो?
Can you write with pen?
Can you write with pen? Yes, मैं पेन से लिख सकता हूँ.
Yes, I can write with pen.
Yes, I can write with pen. मैं पेन से नहीं लिख सकता.
I can't write with pen.
No, I can't write with the pen. आप किससे लिख सकते हो?
With which you can you write?
With which can you write? मैं पेन से लिख सकता हूँ.
I can write with pen.
I can write with the pen. I can write with the pen. Just I think you must have watched our session, and after that watching this session, first like, share, and comment this.